In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a quote inside of Xero. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Xero like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to the menu and click in business. Then you'll see an option called quotes and you need to click on that. Then from here it should be looking something like this. And if you never created a quote before, you need to go up to this green icon up here called new quote. And when you click on it, it should be going to this page right here. And here you can add a contact and you can add a title and summary if you want to do that for the quote. You can add an issue date. For this example it's going to be today, and the expiry date if you want to do that, where you can either select a today, in 7 days, in 14 days, and 30 days, or you can pick a manual date down here. You can also add a quote number if you want to do that. You can add a reference number and a currency, where you can either select your current currency or add a currency down here. Down here you can assign the project to one of your teammates or employees. And you can add taxes to either tax exclusive, tax inclusive, or no tax at all. Down here you can add the items that you need to be in your quote. And you can add it by clicking here for your already existing items. Here you can add the quantity, the price for the specific product, and the distribution up here. You can also add an into account and add a tax rate, where you can either select create a new tax rate. You can add sales tax on imports, tax exempt, tax on purchases, and tax on sales. And over here you can see the total amount. You can also add a new row down here if you want to do that. And if you want to delete them again, you click on this bin right here. Down here you can also select the terms for this specific quote. You can also add files if you want to do that, but you need to add a contact or save before you can attach these files. Down here you can also see the subtotal and the total down here. And when you scroll up, you can either say save or send. And if you want to send this quote, simply need to click send right here. Then this page is going to be popping up where you can add it to this email address, and you can add a subject for it where you can either select basic and insert a placeholder if you want to do that. Down here you can also write in as manually a message if you want to do that, and you can send me a copy. And here you just need to click send, and then the mail should be sent if you have done it correctly. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!